So let me formally open our session, I would like to invite the Philippines Secretary of Trade and Industry, Cristina Roque, to deliver her opening remarks. Secretary, nice to see you again, by the way.
His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., members of the Philippine delegation, Ambassador Jose Victor V. Chan Gonzaga of the Embassy of the Philippines in Canada, our Master of Ceremonies, Mr. Brody Hyder, President and CEO, Business Council of Canada, distinguished CEOs and business leaders from the Philippines and Canada, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On behalf of the Department of Trade and Industry, it is my distinct pleasure to welcome all of you today to today's Philippine-Canada collaboration on mining, critical minerals, and energy discussion. Thank you for joining us and for your continued interest in the Philippines as a trusted partner for strategic investment, industrial development, and sustainable economic growth. This gathering is a key economic engagement of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s visit to Canada, reflecting our shared commitment to strengthening cooperation in sectors that are central to the global energy transition. Today's critical minerals are no longer simply commodities. They are strategic inputs that underpin clean energy systems, electric mobility, advanced manufacturing, digital infrastructure, and modern industrial economies. In the face of global uncertainties that constantly reshape modern trade, pursuing economic diversification and stability has become a shared priority for our industries. Working with reliable allies like Canada, with whom we share deep core values and an enduring people-to-people connection, it allows us to build a more secure foundation for our strategic sectors. This solid relationship helps shield our critical networks from a shifting external environment, which ensures that our supply chains remain stable, competitive, and future-ready. We see strong opportunities for partnership with Canadian companies across the entire value chain, from exploration and extraction to engineering, processing, sustainability solutions, and advanced clean technology. To support your investments, the Philippine government under the Marcos administration continues to implement bold and targeted reforms to strengthen our investment climate. Through the Create More Act, the Public-Private Partnership Code, and Executive Order Number 18, establishing the green lanes for strategic investments, we have streamlined processes, improved fiscal predictability, and significantly reduced the cost of doing business. We remain firmly committed to responsible and sustainable resource development guided by environmental stewardship, strong governance, and meaningful community engagement to ensure long-term mutual growth. Ultimately, this discussion reflects a shared belief that strong economic partnerships are built not only on investment inflows, but on trust, dialogue, and long-term commitment. Thank you and mabuhay.